Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors taking you around this 2019 Chevy Equinox Premier. This one's seen here in Iridescent Pearl Tricoat. Just a gorgeous color in person. It was $1,000 new from factory for that paint on there. You'll notice it's got beautiful 19-inch rims. The Premier model also is going to give you some nice chrome door handle surrounds, some extra chrome trim. Up here on top, you'll also notice that it does have some cross rails that are got chrome on it, as well as chrome mirror caps. Coming around to the back, you'll notice a few different things. One, this is a 2-liter model giving you a standard towing package for up to 3,500 pounds. 2-liter all-wheel drive. This also is a power liftgate, comes standard. Plenty of room here in the back. These little handles over here actually fold down your rear seats in case you need more room. Below that, there is going to be some storage down here in case you need anything else. We'll just close that down. No dings or dents, nothing's wrong with this vehicle whatsoever. It's just a good looking vehicle. A little more chrome up front, being a Premier. Gives a little more of an athletic stance. Inside, you're gonna be seeing jet black interior with a 10-way power seat with lumbar controls. Controls here, as well as memory seat controls and a power liftgate. $18,982 miles. Cruise control is listed right here, as well as your controls to redo the screen up there is going to be all right here. Wiper stock. All right. Now on the screen, you're going to notice a few different options that I do want to talk about today. First, you do have Sirius XM in your audio screen, Bluetooth connectability for your phone, a Wi-Fi hotspot, different apps if you would like to configure your screen a little bit more. But the other two main ones that I do want to talk about are going to be the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Cool thing about that is all you need to do is plug your phone in and it'll actually mirror your navigation, your music, phone calls, apps, really all different things, messages, right to the screen, and makes it super easy to use instead of trying to have to learn a brand new screen that can sometimes be a little, overwhelming. Below that, you're going to notice that we do have dual zone climate control. See if it'll focus there. There we go. For each side, heated seats, as well as a sync feature to make both of these just go to the same temperature. Makes it nice and easy. Below here, you're also going to see that you do have a wireless charging for your phone. So all you need to do is stick it right down in there and set it there and it'll charge. Your all-wheel drive is now configurable here in these Equinoxes. Get it to focus. There it goes. As well as right there, you're going to notice that's going to be there for your trailering control. An HD backup camera comes standard. Lines do move as you go through the steering wheel. In the back, you're going to notice that there's going to be plenty of room for everyone. Also, leather pointed trim, leather door panels. These seats do fold down flat and have a very nice center console. They also have rear air vents for your guests, as well as a charge port right here and a full household outlet down there. I'll see if it'll focus in down there. If you or anyone you know is interested in this 2019 Chevy Equinox, please feel free to give us a call at 715-256-2900 or check us out on the website at nevillemotorsgm.com. Thanks.